Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 28 Outrages. The 28 is one of my favorite boats. The boat's fast, has a nice deep V, very, very dry ride. And so what we'll do, we'll go through the boat and I'll point out some of the options. This is an option right here, going with the larger 350 Verados. This one does have the optional underwater lights. And as we go inside, we have rod storage on the back. I really like the powder-coated hardtop here and fully enclosed windshield, much easier than isinglass. This particular one has two bait wells. We've got one in the stern back here and also one here at the rigging station. And even though it's a great fishing boat, also very comfortable too with a lot of seating. You've got a stern seat here that tucks away, great rod storage underneath each gunnel. The fish boxes, these are naturally insulated because between the hull and the deck on the Whalers, all closed cell foam. Here on the dash, plenty of room for electronics, GPS, chart plotter, autopilot, whatever you're deciding you want to rig the boat with. Real comfortable captain's chairs and co-captain with armrest. Huge enclosed head area. This is the vacuum flush type head with dockside discharge. Then up front, this is my favorite part. Lots of seating up here. Boat is equipped with a windlass, and we're talking about storage. Tremendous amount of storage inside here. So this is one of the coolest features on the boat that I really like. So to recap, it's Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is a 2018 Boston Whaler 28 Outrage, and the boat is located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you would like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Jeremy Bradshaw, 941-485-3388. Thank you so much for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon.